Hello, hello! I'm Wendrickso, and today we're going to cover sounds and the use of sound in MultiGame for Unity. So let's get started. First of all, if you haven't already opened it, go up to the top of the screen. You can't see it here because of my window capture, but there's a little menu here that says MultiGame. Click MultiGame, toolbar. Once you've done that, this toolbar will appear and you can dock it on the side. Next, select an object which you wish to emit a sound, or if you want to create a new sounding object, just click Clear Selection before clicking Sound. It's under the Basics tab. Next, we're going to add some clips. There are really two ways to use the sounder. First of all, you can assign an audio clip to the audio source itself and just say play sound, send the play sound message, or you can assign some clips. And so let's assign a couple of clips right now. And I'm just going to pick a couple of random sounds. I'm going to female attack sound here. And we'll do maybe some other kind of character voice. That way it's not too grating. Wow. Okay. Once I've done that, I need some way to trigger the sound effect. For the demonstration here, I'm just going to use a simple key message, but this can be any message you like, of course. So if I say play random sound, whenever we push delete, lock that in, then it'll select a random sound from the list. Alternatively, I could say whenever we push, let's do, maybe not tab, let's do space. Then we'll play a specific sound. And to do this, we select play selected sound, lock it, and now we need to check. See, it takes an integer parameter, which is indicative of the sound we wish to play. So in this case, let's play the laughter sound, which is element 1 here. So I'll just put in play selected sound, parameter is 1, and that's an integer. We know it's an integer because if I look at play selected sound, it says takes an integer parameter. We know that it's number 1 because lists in Unity are 0 indexed, and so the second element is element 1. So we just put that in here, set it to integer, and then we can try it out. Just give it a second to start up.
Time for some target practice.
So if I press delete,
Time for some target practice. Time for some target
it'll
practice.
randomly select from the sounds. But if I press spacebar, it'll always play that really creepy laugh. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you know how to use messages and you have some sound effects, that's really all you need. I hope this is helpful. Bye-bye.